Hello everyone, welcome back to our new video. In this video, I will give you more information about the top 5 best camping solar panels that are available on the market. Actually, I try to make popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinion and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the link in a description section below. Don't forget subscribe this channel for view future videos. Let's start this video. Starting at number 5, we have Ryno-Tuff Portable Solar Charger for Camping. The Ryno-Tuff Portable Solar Charger for Camping is as tough as it sounds, and when you're away from civilization with perhaps the only thing keeping your devices charged being a solar panel, that solar panel had better be tough. The solar panels on this solar charger are protected by heavy-duty 600D PVC canvas. The highly durable canvas acts as a shield, but the panels are protected against more than just light impacts and canvas side scratches. The entire assembly is waterproof, which is frankly a must for electronic camping equipment of any sort. The solar panels are SunPower X series panels and combined, they put out 21 watts of power. In as little as 2 hours, they can charge almost any modern device. Moving on at number 4, we have BigBlue Foldable Solar Charger. When you need a powerful camping solar panel with go-anywhere versatility, we recommend turning to the BigBlue Foldable Solar Charger. This 28-watt panel uses 3 USB ports to charge electronic devices without the risk of overcharging, overheating, or short-circuiting. The panel's polymer surface protects them from moisture and light rain. This system weighs only 20.6 ounces, and the 11.1 inch by 6.3 inch by 1.3 inch charger unfolds to reveal 4 panels. Buckles allow it to be suspended at the campsite or strapped to a backpack while hiking to maximize exposure to sunlight. This camping solar panel does not store energy, so you'll need to charge devices directly or use it to charge a standalone battery during the day. The manufacturer offers a 2-year warranty. At number 3, we have NECTEC Portable Solar Panel Charger. The NECTEC Portable Solar Panel Charger strikes a balance between functionality and price, making it a great value. The 21-watt solar panel uses USB ports to rapidly charge up to 2 devices at a time and includes a zip-up pouch to keep them secure while attached. This charger can operate so efficiently by using a microchip to detect what type of battery is being plugged into it and adjusting power delivery to minimize charging time based on each device's parameters. When not in use, the 4 solar panels fold into a 6.3 inch by 11.1 inch by 1.1 inch package that weighs just 18 ounces. This solar panel does not have a battery, so devices must be charged with direct sunlight. At number 2, we have TP Solar 100W Foldable Solar Panel Charger Kit. For maximum stationary power, the TP Solar 100W Foldable Solar Panel Charger Kit is the solar power option for you. This solar panel kit unfurls into a very large array that efficiently inhales the sun and produces power, 100 watts of power, which is more than enough to keep the entire campsite's devices fully charged. That is what this kit is best for, as it is too large to be useful on the go. But while this high-tech piece of equipment is over 4 feet long when operating, the entire assembly folds into a pouch smaller than most laptops. This makes transport of this large solar array extremely easy. And finally at number 1. Jackery Solar Saga 100W Portable Solar Panel. As long as the sun is up, the Jackery Solar Saga 100W Portable Solar Panel provides power on demand. The Solar Saga Portable Solar Panel is designed to be a simple, tough, and practical unit. This panel can easily charge portable power packs for overnight power or charge up devices on its own throughout the daylight hours. Despite its small size, the panel puts out an impressive 100 watts of power. This power is distributed to 2 output ports, one being USB-C and the other being a standard USB-A plug. The USB-C plug can pump up to 3 amps of power into a phone, at 5 volts. Practically speaking, there are few better portable solar panels than this for dependable use. Thank you for watching guys, I hope like you this videos. If this video helpful to you, please make comments and subscribe. If you have any question related this product, you can leave a comment down below. I hope back to you as soon as possible.